Hi there. Today, let's look at some paper. Mainly, I got homemade paper, and so I want to share that with you. I saw it on Etsy. This one is from Gail Fitzpatrick Papermaker. Let's start with this. And I also have a paper pad. So, let's get started with this. So this paper feels very cottony, feels very soft. It's kind of slick on this side and a little bit rougher on this side. So this is basically an off-white cream. This is nice. This paper is Earth Pack, and it is by Torn Edge Paper. These come in some pretty fall colors. That's why I got them. You could use them for any time of the year. Wow. Okay, so this paper, oh, pretty. This paper is almost cardboardy feeling. It's got some splotches, and on one side it's got the solid color. Very nice. This one's softer, more cottony. They bend well. And there is the other two. These are slicker and shinier. I like this because this package came with some colors variations and texture variations. Very nice. This paper looks as if it has sticks that are stuck through it. Very cool. And it's in a gray. This paper is also by Torn Edges. Oh, pretty. Look at this one. Okay, so it looks like this paper was made with leaves and pine tree pieces. These are like little flowers. I am fascinated with these papers. Ooh, look at this one. So you have a leaf, little purple flowers, little yellow flowers. Okay, and our last homemade paper is this paper. It smells very earthy. It smells like almost not really grass or hay, but something very earthy. It smells kind of good. Look how thin this is. So these are my homemade papers that I got, and I want to share with you this pad of paper, which I cannot wait to open. This is called Cozy Forest, and it's made in Ukraine, but I do not know much else about it. So here are the papers, and we will go through these and take a look at what we got. And there we have it. Beautiful earthy papers, very pretty colors, sort of meadowy forest shades, botanical, and the homemade paper. Here's just a few sheets I pulled out. And there we have it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the paper, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.